Hello, travel warriors, and welcome to the Rewards Pointer Podcast, Episode 1.
Tips and tricks to save you money traveling and
Reward yourself.
sounds good.
Yes, sir. Hey, my name is Ross, the Rewards Pointer.
And my name is JB, the co-host.
Yeah, and best friend, actually.
Oh, nice.
Right?
There
We
we
know
go.
each other.
That's my title. I like that title better.
A little bit better,
All
sir.
right.
What is the rewards pointer?
What is this? Why are we here? What is the rewards point?
This is the Rewards Pointer, and the Rewards Pointer is a place where we can learn.
That sounds boring.
You know, I agree.
So, what did I sign up for? This is terrible.
Pick it up a notch here. The Rewards Pointer is a place where we can learn to travel, spending little to no money.
Much better. Now I want to hear. Please.
Yes, and
tell me
anybody can
more.
do this here, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So-
I am anybody.
Anybody.
And I've done it.
So-
Just a little bit.
Let's share, right? Let's get started.
What got you started?
For me, what got me started was, I had a wedding to pay for actually a couple of years ago.
Sure.
And,
I remember that. Luckily, I was invited.
You were there, exactly.
Be a pretty bad best friend if I wasn't there.
Right? We wouldn't have me here right now on this podcast,
Right.
actually.
So the wedding was 2 years
So the
ago.
wedding was 2 years ago, and weddings are expensive. I think most of us can agree on that. You got married
Sure.
a couple of years ago
Right.
yourself. And
I know. I wish I got married after because, anyways, we'll
Right.
get to that. Go ahead.
Exactly, but hey, rather than spending all that money like most of us would by, taking out a loan from the bank or, using cash that's sitting in our bank account or, just a lot of those regular ways, I discovered credit card rewards. And credit card rewards really enabled me to spend the same amount of money that I would have anyway on this wedding, but instead of getting nothing